Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to tell you about important and major rivers of India. Before I start, let's understand some basic terms which we use to understand river system more easily. So first one is source of the river, where the river originate and start their journey. Second, mouth of the river, where river get meted with oceans or another. Third, meanders, which means shape of the river stream. Fourth, tributaries, a branch of river that flow into the main river. Fifth, confluence, a place where two or more than two rivers are joined together and make a single river. Sixth, these tributaries, which means a branch of river that does not return to the main stream after leaving. So these are the basic terms which we use to learn about the rivers of India. The rivers of India are divided into two groups, such as the Himalayas river and the peninsular rivers. So let's talk about the Himalayas rivers. First, the Himalayas rivers originated from snow-covered mountains. Second, these rivers have large basins and catchment areas. Third, these rivers are perennial in nature and receive water both from the monsoon and from the melting of the snow. Fourth, these rivers are suitable for navigation as they flow over plains areas. These rivers forms large deltas near their mouth. Let's talk about peninsular rivers of India. First, the peninsular rivers mostly originated from peninsular plateaus. Second, these rivers have small basins and catchment areas. Third, these rivers are seasonally in nature as they receive water only from the monsoon rain. Fourth, these rivers are not suitable for navigation as they flow over uneven land in plateaus areas. Fifth, these rivers forms small deltas. Let's talk about major Himalayas rivers of India. So the major Himalayas rivers of India are the Ganga, the Indus and the Brahmaputra river. So let's talk about the Ganga river. The Ganga is longest and most important river of India. It is 2525 km long. It is flow through Uttarakhand, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Jharkhand and West Bengal. The river Ganga is most holy river for Hindu religion. The river Ganga is also lifeline to millions of Indians who lives along its course and depend on it for their daily needs. The river Ganga is originated from Gangotri Glacier at Gaumukh. The headwater of the Ganga is Bhagirathi. Bhagirathi joined the river Alaknanda at Devprayag. Yamuna is the second largest tributary of the Ganga river. It is originated at Yamunotri and joined Ganga at Allahabad. The left bank tributaries of Ganga are Ramganga, Gomti, Kali, Gandak, Kosi, Mahanadi and Ghagra. The Ghagra river is the largest tributaries of the Ganga river. The right bank tributaries of Ganga are Yamuna River and Son River. Kosi is called Sharo of Bihar, while Damodar is called Sharo of Bengal because this river cause flood. The mouth of the Ganga is in Bay of Bengal. Let's talk about the second Himalayas rivers, that is the Indus River. The length of Indus River is 3180 km. It is one of the longest river of Asia. It originated in western part of Tibet in the area of Mount Kailash and Lake Mansarovar. It passes through Kashmir and before joining Arabian Sea, it passes through Pakistan. It is the largest river as well as national river of Pakistan. Satluj is the largest tributaries of Indus River. Satluj flow through Himachal Pradesh and Punjab and it join Indus at Pakistan. The tributaries of Indus River are Chenab, Satluj, Jhelum, Ravi, Beas, Shok, Kabul and Gilgit. Let's talk about the third Himalayas river, that is the Brahmaputra. It is one of the world's largest river of the world, which is flow through China, India and Bangladesh. It is 3848 km long. It is called as Sangpo in Tibet. It is originated from Chimayungdung Glacier, which is located in the northern side of Himalayas in the Burag country of Tibet. Brahmaputra enters in India from the city called Arunachal Pradesh. In Bangladesh, the Brahmaputra is joined by the river Tista. Then it is known as the Jamuna River. Later, it merged with the lower Ganga. Then it is called as the river Padma. In final part, called the river Meghna. The tributaries of Brahmaputra are Tista, Lohit, Kaming, Subansiri, Manas, Dhansiri, Jaldak, Raidak and Kulong. So these are the Himalayan rivers of India. Let's talk about peninsular rivers of India. The major peninsular rivers of India are first Mahanadi. It is 857 km long. It is originated in Chhattisgarh and it is a very important river of Chhattisgarh and Odisha. The tributaries of Mahanadi are Sionath, Hasdeo, Mand, Ib, Ong and Tel River. Sonath is the largest tributaries of Mahanadi. Let's talk about the second river, that is Godavari. It is the second largest river in India after the Ganga river. The Godavari river rises from Trimbakeswar in the Nasik district of Maharashtra. It is 1465 km long. The tributaries of Godavari river are Pranhita, Wardha, Vinganga, Indravati, Sabari, Manjira. Pranhita is the largest tributaries of Godavari river. Let's talk about the third river, that is the Krishna river. The Krishna River is originated in Western Ghat near Mahabaleshwar. It is 1400 kilometers long. That makes it one of the longest river of India. The tributaries of Krishna River are Bhima, Tungabhadra, Ghatprabha, Malaprabha, and Musi. Let's talk about fourth river, that is Narmada. It is originated in Amarkantak Plateau in Madhya Pradesh. It is 1312 kilometers long. That makes it largest west flowing peninsular river of India. The tributaries of Narmada river are Sher, Shakkar, Dudhi, Tawa, and Ganjal. The Tawa River is the biggest tributaries of Narmada River. Narmada is flow through Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, and Gujarat and meet the Gulf of Cambay. Let's talk about the fifth and the last river, that is the Tapti River. The Tapti River is originated from Multai at Madhya Pradesh. Tapti River is also known as the Tapi River. It is 724 kilometers long and flow over westward. It is second largest westward river in India after Narmada River. The tributaries of Tapi River are Girna, Purna, Panzara, Bori, Anir, and Gomi River. Thank you very much. Hope you like the video.